Have you ever wanted to make a 3D model, but you did not have the skills to do so, or you thought it would take several hours to do so? Well, guess what? With the power of AI, you can make a 3D model in seconds and have it to your liking. And I'll show you how to do this in just a moment. But please subscribe to the channel, like this video. This is Jay Techie. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the way you can make a 3D model to your liking is to use a AI program called Meshy. And today I'm going to be showcasing how to make a 3D model from a picture. And so right now, as you can see, I have already made an account to Meshy, and this is the screen that you should see after you log into your account. And so what I'm going to do for this session is I'm going to go to workspace on the top left, and then I'm going to select image to 3D. So now I need an image to convert to a 3D model, and they have several sample models here, such as Regal Warrior, and they have several other examples here as well. And so there's the Regal Warrior there, and so I'm going to make my very own picture so that we can see how well Meshy does. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up ChatGPT, and I'm going to have it generate me an image. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing the prompt here. Okay, so the prompt I entered in to ChatGPT is generate an image of a samurai fully decked out in black armor facing the camera with katana drawn and in a fighting stance. Alright, so let's go ahead and generate this image and see what it looks like. So I'm having ChatGPT generate that for me now. So this is the image that I have came up with. So I'm going to go ahead and download this image so that I can use it in Meshy. My recording froze, so I actually already generated the samurai in Meshy. So what I did was I uploaded my picture from ChatGPT that I generated and downloaded onto my computer, and then I went to the Meshy program and hit the generate button, and I generated several, well actually 3 samurais, and I'll show you guys what they look like so you can see how they turned out. So okay, so here is the one that generated from my image, and there are some kind of strange artifacts on the sword, but other than that, I like the detail that it has come up with. And here's another one, and the sword is also a little bit, not ideally shaped like a katana, but and this one, he is a little bit less detailed. Let's go ahead and check out this guy. And so this is the actual one that I like the best and that I'm accepting and going with. And so this is pretty much what you would expect Meshy to do when generating a figure from a 2D image. And then you can go a step further, and you can also have Meshy color the figure or the model. And so I just hit the green button, texture, and I hit texture already. And as you can see, this is the original image it was based off of, but I hit texture, and this is what it came up with. So it colored my samurai soldier, and it looks pretty good. It did not keep the original all black colors, but he still looks nice with the gray and blue. And once you color a figure, some of the blemishes look a bit better and are more hidden after being colored. So this actually looks like a viable 3D model. I mean, this thing can produce 3D models in a matter of seconds, and before I knew that building a 3D model was quite a tedious task to do all on your own. And so this program really, even though the sword is not perfect, it's not like a perfect katana, I would say, but I would say it did an amazing job for only producing this thing in a few seconds. So, alright, that's what I wanted to show you guys today on this video, and please like this video and comment and subscribe to this channel. And this is J Techie here, and as always, have a nice day. Peace.